Oh, now that you, oh, that was so funny. I couldn't even breathe. You went flying so far away. Stand still. Okay, I'm sorry. Now, what would you like as your gift for me putting... God.
Don't you stop already, it hurts.
Yeah, I'm sorry. What would you like as your gift for being such an awesome plastic surgery patient? For having your head bashed in and your arm torn off. What would you like as your gift? Because this guy is not your gift. Yeah. I don't know why that's so funny.
Hey Jason, you want to push the button for me?
Yeah. Ooh, does it give me candy?
Push the little button on the bottom. Yeah.
The little button on the bottom. Which button on the bottom?
It's very, very little.
It's very, very
Right
little.
underneath the guns.
Right
Crouch.
underneath the guns.
Crouch.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Do you think you have room for some surgery? I think you need to come look at my body. I'm next to the giant.
Oh God.
Can you help me?
I'll try. Don't worry, I have you, friend. I have you.
Can you like help me, please? I
got you. No one will ever find you. Whoops, sorry. No one will ever
Ow!
find you.
Oh! Ah!
Where are you?
You blew.
I'm sorry.
Oh! You made me explode. You.
Just push the button and everything will be okay.
Okay, I'm pushing the. I'm gonna push the button again.
Okay.
Help me.
Your head's gone.
I know.
Only your head this time.
Help me. Help.
Here, let me help you.
Help me. Help. That really hurt. Help me. Oh God. Oh, Jesus. You made me explode.
Everything's okay.
Dimitri, I would like you to push that little button right there. I would like you to push that little button. Did you push it?
This one?
Yeah,
That
that's
one
one.
right there?
Yes, that one.
Okay. Let me try. What are you doing?
Oh. Wait, hold on. I want to test something out. Hold on. I want to test. Will I go flying?
Go flying.
Yeah.
Here, let me see. Let me push the button. Get on top of the guns.
3. One small step for man, one giant step for mankind, or something like that. Now just press the button. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Well, you know I'm pressing button. Oh! Oh!
How do you know my head is gone?
Yeah, just can you like get me a new arm, please? My hand is.
Where are you?
I went flying all the way by one of the entrances. I think I'm on the right-hand side entrance. If you
There
could
you are.
help
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
Can you get me a new
Where are
arm?
you?
Can you get me a new arm?
Is this you?
Yes, that's me.
Is that you?
Yes, that's me.
Well, how come you're like nothing's wrong with you?
What do you mean? My arm is
Oh,
missing.
never mind. Your hand's gone.
Yeah.
Your hand's gone. That's all.
It's a bone. Can you replace that? You know, never mind. 3, 2, 1. Tell me if you see a shooting star. Oh, jeez. Ow! My leg.
This is you.
I know. Oh. Okay.
Stay calm.
Yeah, I'm staying as calm as I can.
Stay calm.
Oh. That
This
really
actually
hurt.
made it look good.
Okay, what in the world is that? That is a plank of wood. How do you, like, turn things like that? How do you do that? What?
You hold down E.
E?
E, yeah.
Okay.
So hold on. That's too big.
That is...
Like my dick. Anyways, moving on.
I think
No,
mine
that's
is
too wide.
gone.
I also like my dick.
I think that mine is gone.
It's up here. I got the perfect thing.
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. Half of my butt cheek is gone. Are you giving me a pirate's leg now? You are the worst plastic
Fine,
surgeon.
one pirate's leg. There you go. Hold on. Hold on.
That, what in the world is that? That is,
This may pinch.
okay. Ow! What are you doing to me? Oh, ow! Ow! What are you doing?
It's working.
It's not working at all! It's not working at all! Oh, did it work? Is it done? Is it done now? Ow! Ow!
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Almost done.
Okay, my balls are gone,
Here
just
we
saying.
go.
My balls are gone.
Oh, hold on. Sorry. Okay, good, because I hit them like 30 times. I was afraid to tell you.
I think my penis is gone too. Ah! My foot!
Oh, I have to give you. Oh, no, bye.
What did you do? Oh my god. Oh, hold on, I need to take a break right now.
Your body. I'm fixing your body.
You are definitely fixing my body. I'm gonna beat you up with a toilet.
Wait, does this hurt? Hold on, does this hurt?
Tell me if this
Does
hurts.
this hurt?
No, I want to know if this hurts. Ow! Yeah, that hurt. You just hit me with a giant claw.
No, it doesn't hurt.
No, that didn't hurt at all. That just bounced right off of me. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, never mind. It hurts. It hurts. Oh! Ow!
Tell me if you see a shooting star. I'll be
Okay.
back.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you are gone.